Hello guys, Curtis Soldier, and today I'm back with another video on my one-shot pistol. And so yeah, I painted it and it looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm also gonna shoot a new bullet. I hope it's gonna do something to the paper. I shot it in my garage, my basement 2 days ago, and it shot through 2 layers of cardboard, so that's pretty strong. I'm gonna try to shoot it through the paper, or yeah, we'll see what it does. Okay, so I'm just gonna load the round in. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that was pretty loud. Holy shit. That was really loud. Yeah, it shot through the paper. Pretty good. Let's see if I can find the bullet. Yeah, I found it. Here it is. So that was pretty good. I had to cock it 3 times, but yeah, it's not perfect, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty awesome. There will be some other shooting tests on the pistol. I will be making a new shooting test of the sniper, but because it's snowy outside, I can't really do an update outside, so I have to wait until the weather gets better and I can make some shooting tests outside. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and